Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video coming at you with daily review video number 48. We're getting up there. So, just got my earnings for the day, guys. Another good day. Look at that back to back. Today was 0.53%. I made 58.79 on my money. Yesterday, 0.54. I made 59.66 on my money. As you see, guys, in the last 2 days, yesterday and today, I roughly made about 120 bucks, just under. Incredible, guys. So that takes me to about $110, I would say. $110 left till I reach 15,000 rather in the Forex investment I have here. Yeah, 14,165.58 plus 682.97 plus 35.92. That'll take me to well, you know what? Let's do it live here, guys. Add it up here. So we got 15,000 minus. Let's take a look here. 14,165.58 minus the monthly. Actually, we should do the 35.92 because I have that up there as referral bonus. Minus 682.97, and there we go, guys. So I'm 115.53 away from 15,000. So what's going to happen at this point? Yeah, I mean, once I get to 15,000, guys, we're basically looking at another. So what is today? July 13th. Yeah, July 13th. We're looking at, another 4 weeks, guys. So roughly about around August 15th, I'll be at 16 grand. That's kind of my main goal. And I'm kind of excited about it because once I get to 16 grand, if the profits are 10% per month, which it pretty much is, what I'll do is I'll get the calculator here. There it is. So if you see $16,000, 10% daily profit. Look at this, guys. You come down here, see this field right here. That's what I'll be making per month, guys. See, and I put that in the calculator. So you know what that means? $1,200 divided by 4. That's $300 per week. So that is that's kind of what I'm looking at here, guys. $1,200 per week. And once I get going with that, guys, I mean, you can look at this calculator. I'm not sure if I've ever showed it to you guys before, but this is starting here. So this will be August, September, October, November, December, January. So if you're looking around January time frame at the pace that I'm going at, guys, I'll be at 23,000, somewhere around there, making $1,700, which is here. So it's basically $1,700 a month. So if you take the calculator again, guys, you do 1,700, divide that by 4. That's how much I'll be making per week in U.S. funds with this system, guys. 425 U.S. funds per week, which is insane. I'm in Canada, of course, so that's probably about $600, give or take, maybe just a little under, but just under $600 Canadian per week that I'll be making in the system, guys. So just got to stay strong, just got to stay with it. And yeah, hope for the best here, guys. I mean, it's definitely something that I'm excited that I'm involved with this company. And getting close to the end of the 5-minute daily review video, guys. So if you guys want to be a part of the S Group, click on the sign up link down below. You can join my team. I'll walk you guys through everything and show you everything in the back office. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button at the bottom of this video so you can see all my video updates, and also shoot me an email when if you have any further questions. So thanks for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next review video.